Guys, today I'm going to be playing with my doggy ducky. Isn't she pretty? Pretty. Harper, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi for me? Say hi. Come on. Come on, Harper. Come on. Come here. She's probably tired, but I'll give her this. Come here. Come on, girl. Come on. Come here, Harper. Come on. Yeah, there you're on your 2 feet. I mean 4. I'm on my 2 feet. Hi. Hi. Animal. Are you an animal? Like the king. No, don't. No, okay, you're animals. I almost dropped it. Playing with her ball. Playing with her ball again. Well, she's tired, so, well, I hope for you guys to subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.